So what we're going to do is we're going to release these two Phillips head screws in order to allow us to remove the bracket completely, just for easier access and movability. This one comes out. Keep in mind that one side is wider than the other, and you'll notice when you put it back on. So just keep that in mind. And once we have these removed, we'll be able to slide out the air cylinder. Excuse me. Once we have those brackets removed, we'll be able to remove the cylinder or sleeve. But before we move it out though, we want to mark where the cylinder sits on the brackets. That way we can make sure that when we put it back on, that it's sitting right back where it should. Well, we're going to pull it out. I'm going to put it out slowly and twist at the same time until it comes out completely. Once we have it out, we can go ahead and clean the inside. We want to clean these areas with non-toxic or biodegradable grease or any kind of food grade cleaning product. It looks shiny around these edges because it actually has food grade grease around the gaskets themselves that go around the piston. You can find this grease online. Just search for food grade grease. Any brand really is good. I'll put a diagram or show you a diagram of the type of grease that we use. That way you can place some on the outside. And there you go.